Meaning of grew.
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 Grew. The word grew is the past tense of the verb grow, which means to develop or increase in size, amount, or intensity over time. The result of something that grew could be a physical object such as a tree, plant, or animal that has increased in size or maturity. Alternatively, it could refer to an abstract concept such as the growth of a business, idea, or relationship. Overall, the term grew denotes a process of development or expansion that has occurred over a period of time and may have resulted in significant changes or improvements.